In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Your connection is not private error in Microsoft Edge using our comprehensive 2025 full guide. This error can definitely be frustrating, especially if you're trying to access important websites or complete critical tasks. Let's get started with some easy troubleshooting steps to ensure that your browsing experience goes smoothly. First, we need to check a very basic, yet often overlooked cause of this issue, your device's date and time settings. Inconsistent system time is one of the most common culprits behind SSL errors, which can trigger these privacy notifications. To adjust your date and time settings, open your Start menu and click on the Settings gear icon. From there, go to Time and Language Settings. Here, ensure your PC's date, time, and time zone are all correctly set. Incorrect settings can prevent a secure connection, and this simple fix can often solve the problem instantly. Next, let's talk about your browser's cache and cookies, which might be causing Edge to misinterpret or block certain sites. When you visit a website, Edge stores temporary files and cookies to make future visits faster. However, these files can sometimes get corrupted or outdated, leading to connection errors. To clear them, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard while in Microsoft Edge. A new window will pop up. Choose Cached Images and Files and Cookies and other site data. Once you've selected these, click on Clear Now to remove them. After clearing the cache and cookies, try reloading the site you were having trouble with to see if the issue has been resolved. These two steps are incredibly useful for resolving the Your connection is not private error, but it's important to remember that sometimes the problem might not be on your end. If you've gone through these steps and still face issues, the site itself might have a security certificate problem or another momentary issue. In such cases, it's often best to wait a bit and try again later or visit the site from a different device or network if possible. For additional peace of mind, make sure your operating system and browser are both up to date, as manufacturers frequently release security patches that help prevent these types of connection problems. Thank you for joining me today in addressing this privacy error in Microsoft Edge. I hope these steps have helped you restore your access to the web without any further interruptions. Feel free to check out other videos for more tips on how to optimize your browsing experience. As always, stay safe on the web and don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance if needed.